Hello students, welcome to Minutes of Maths. In today's class, we are going to solve question number 4 from exercise 1.1, class 10, chapter 1, real numbers. Question is, use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form of 3m and 3m plus 1, where m is some integer. Here we need to show the square of any positive integer can be written like this, 3m and 3m plus 1. Already we have solved question number 2 like this. In that the form was 6q plus 1 and 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. So that directly we have used Euclid's division lemma because it is in the form of 6q. That means divisor, quotient plus remainder. So that we have used A is equivalent to BQ plus R, this Euclid's division lemma. So that we have written A is equivalent to 6q plus R. We have written like this. But here they have given M. That too, we need to take the square of the positive integer that has to be written in the form of 3m and 3m plus 1. So that they have given one hint here. In the hint, what we are going to do, we are going to assume let x be any positive integer. Got it? Then it is of the form of 3q plus 1, 3q plus 2. You can see this is in the form of right hand side of Euclid's division lemma. So that first we are going to assume let x be or a be any positive integer, and then we are going to rewrite these equation in the form of 3m and 3m plus 1. Let's see. See, first let x be, or we can write a, because Euclid's division lemma is in the form of a is equivalent to bq plus r, where r is greater than or equal to 0 and lesser than b. This we know, isn't it? So let a be any positive integer. Here they haven't give odd or even. It can be even number or odd number, but it is a positive integer. Let a be any positive integer and b is 3 here. B is equivalent to 3. If b is 3, then what is the r value? We know r should be greater than or equal to 0 and lesser than b. If b is 3, then r values are 0, 1, 2, 3. Got it? So what is our equation? We have already assumed a is any positive integer. So we have to write a is equivalent to our b is 3 q plus r. We have written this in the form of Euclid's division lemma, where r is equivalent to 0, 1, 2, 3. This is our equation. Now, as usual, what we are going to do, we are going to substitute r values one by one in this equation. When r is equivalent to 0, what is our equation? A is equivalent to 3q. When r is equivalent to 1, our equation is a is equivalent to 3q plus 1. When r is equivalent to 2, here it should be up to 2 only, because b is 6, b is 3, no, so it should be lesser than b, so it is 2. So where r is equivalent to 2, then a is equivalent to 3q plus 2. Got it? Now we have got 3 equations, but our question is the square of any positive integer is either of the form of this one. So our positive integer is this. So we are going to take the square root on both the side. Square, not square root. Take square on both the side. What we will get? We will get a square, which is equivalent to 9q square. Got it? What I am going to write, because I have to write this in the form of 3m, so that I am splitting this number as 3 into 3q square. Okay, and then I am going to write this as 3m. Why I am writing 3m? Because I am going to assume this 3q square is m. M is equivalent to 3q square, because they have said for some integer m. Here you can see q is already a integer. If you take the square of any integer, you will get the integer. If you multiply 3 with that integer, you will get an integer. So obviously m will also be integer. So that I have assumed this 3q square is m. So that I have written a square is equivalent to 3m. So that first part is over. Now we'll take second equation. Second equation also we need to take square both the side, because our number is the square of any positive integer. So if you take square both the side, a square is equivalent to, this is in the identity a plus b the whole square. What is a plus b the whole square formula? Which is a plus b the whole square is equivalent to a square plus 2ab plus b square, isn't it? So our a is 3q, b is 1. So a square 9q square plus 2ab, 2 into a, 3q, 6q plus 1. Now what I am going to do, I have to write this equation in the form of 3m plus 1. So that, see, in the first two term, m is 3 is common. So I am going to take 3 outside. So inside the bracket, here we have taken 3 outside. So remaining is 3q square, plus here also we have taken 3 outside, so plus 2 plus 1. Now what we are going to assume, this whole part is an m. So I am going to write this as 3m plus 1, where m is equivalent to 3q square plus 2, because m is some integer. So if you simplify this, you will get one integer only. So that I am writing like this. Third part also I am going to write in the form of 3m plus 1 only. So that, for that what we have to do, we have to take the square both the side. If you take square both the side, we will get a square, which is equivalent to a plus b the whole square formula again. So which is 9q square plus 2ab, 2 into a, 6q, 6q into 2, 12q plus b square 4. Okay, now we have to write in the form of 3m plus 1. So that what I am going to do, I am going to split this 4 as 3 plus 1. Then only I can take it out 3 outside. So 9q square plus 12q plus 3 plus 1. I have just written this 4 as 3 plus 1. Now you can group this first 3 term and see, in first 3 term 3 is common. So if you take 3 outside, what you will get? We have taken only 3 from this term, so remaining is 3q square plus here we have taken 3 outside, so 4q plus 1 and this plus 1. Now I am going to write this as 3m plus 1, where m is equivalent to 3q square plus 4q plus 1. We have assumed this whole is a m. This whole is m. So that now we have proved the square of any positive integer can be written in the form of 3m plus 1. That's it. Got it? Hence, we have proved. Like this, we need to solve this type of question. If they have given like this 3q plus 1, we can directly write like this. But here they have written 3m and 3m plus 1. So that first we have written our equation in terms of q and then converted into in terms of m. Got it? Thank you. Thanks for watching.